Welcome guys, so today I am with this Philips running earphones, and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off these earbuds. So that's very simple. Right here you have to find the multifunction button, and we are going to use it to power on and power off this device. As you can see, I'm not currently connected with my smartphone, and we have to take a look on this small indicator on this plastic part. It's right here. So we have to click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. Right now we can release when it starts blinking on the blue. After a few seconds we'll be connected back, and there it is. And to power them off, you have to just click and hold this button, this middle button, one more time, and you have to also take a look on the indicator. Keep holding, and when it blinks on the white, it means that right now our device is turned off. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.